Hello everyone, I'm Manali.
And I am Mehuli, and welcome back to our channel.
So today we are going to react to a highly suggested music video that is
Black Swan by BTS. So, before starting the reaction, we wanted to get a bit of introduction. So, I found an article. Definitely, this Black Swan, as the name suggests, is inspired by the classic Black Swan, and it says that it was inspired by a quote from a famed American dancer, Martha Graham, and the quote goes as, "A dancer dies twice, once when they stop dancing, and the first death is the more painful."
oh my god,
So it says the song expresses fear of a moment when an artist can no longer perform on stage.
that's so deep.
Wow, that's really deep.
I really love that idea and concept. I mean, us being dancers ourselves, wherein we have been classically trained in Indian classical dance. Not just trained, we also have completed our degrees in Indian classical dance. So I can truly resonate to that idea because even we have that fear of always losing this art form because professionally we do not pursue dancing and with all the work and in our profession we always forget to keep this art form alive. So it's always I think this is a fear in every artist's mind, and this music video and this song is going to be special.
And I love the concept, and it's so unique. Like, I haven't seen any other artists perform on this kind of concept, so I'm very excited for this video. So let's get into it. Whoa, I love the starting part, and that's Jimin, right? His dancing is just beautiful. I mean, is he classically trained?
It cannot be that he's not classically trained. I mean, did you see that jump and
I
the
know.
clean landing? It was just so smooth and so perfect.
I think he's definitely
And also-
classically trained.
Yes, and also doesn't it look like they're performing in an opera theater by the
Yeah.
looks of it?
Okay, so by far, by the lyrics, it seems definitely very deep. I think it's trying to tell how an artist feels when he doesn't resonate with his art anymore.
And yeah, definitely, I think the lyrics continuously try to portray that that is the biggest fear in an artist's mind.
Yeah.
The transitions are so clean. Did you see that they are trying to show black and white? They're trying to show the contrast.
Yeah,
And
they are constantly shifting between the two.
Yes, and then the shift is very smooth, I have to say. And also, did you see that Jimin had like black fur on that white
Yeah.
coat? So it's like the
Feathers.
It's like a swan that he's playing the swan maybe.
And I also like how they are bare feet when they are wearing the white outfits.
Yes.
That's nice. Wow. He just turned into a swan. Okay, so the one thing I really like about BTS songs is in every song they try to incorporate raps. It doesn't feel forced, like it goes with the flow of the song. I really like that concept, and
Yes.
like everyone individually gets their time to shine. That's wonderful.
And also, if you notice, the video is constantly playing with shadows and reflections. It's,
Yeah.
you know, it's like you are not your true self anymore, and you see your past maybe in the shadows and the reflections. And I have to tell you, the lyrics constantly, you know, do not lose track. They are constantly saying the same thing. in
It's
various different
like
ways.
something about you have to find your inner self, something like that. It's
Yes.
lost. Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is Jimin doing in this song? Did you see that one-legged split? The
Turn.
the yeah, what is that?
I don't know, whatever.
Yeah, it was just so pretty. And did you see that knee raise? Wherein
It's like he's turning into a swan, like literally. Wow, and wow, beautiful.
wow, love this. Oh my god, the ending was so good. It was so pretty.
Wow, the whole video was just beautiful. It just goes with the concept so well, and Jimin's dancing, I just can't get enough.
Yeah, I mean, I cannot forget. You know, it's in my mind. The spin that he did with one leg, the floor raises and the knee raise and everything. It was so pretty.
I
And-
think this song did justice, and the video did justice to Jimin, I feel.
Yeah,
He literally turned into the swan, oh my god.
And yeah, I think also another thing that I noticed, you know, it plays with the shadows, as in, so when you perform on stage, so everything else is dark and there's the spotlight on you, on the artist,
Yeah.
and that throws, you know, that casts a shadow. And I think that is what, you know, that's also is being
There's-
shown here.
There can be so many interpretations to this video, I mean,
Truly,
it was
yes.
beautiful.
Loved it. So that's it for this reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did reacting to it.
And also, we know the news, BTS is releasing its new single next week on the 21st, and we are excited as much as everyone else. So we'll be definitely reacting to it. So if you want us to react to it and are looking forward to it, please mention it in the comments.
Also, if you like this video, then do not forget to give thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.